What's up, guys? Welcome back to another 4-minute abs workout. This is a beginner style workout if you're looking to enhance your obliques. That's right, I'm talking about your side abs right here. So if you're trying to get a little more shredded right there, this is the workout for you. You got 8 exercises, 30 seconds on for every exercise. Here comes the title card. Take a screenshot if you need to. You need to do this 3 times for a sufficient workout. But if you already worked out for an hour today, just do this once. Get ready, here we go. Great 4-minute abs workout today, guys. Hopefully you really enjoyed it. That was an awesome beginner oblique style workout. Hopefully that you guys got a good kick in out of your obliques. And I'll try to do that 2 more times for a sufficient workout. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's daily abs.